Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to get the fenders mounted on the coupe. I've owned the car for about 14 months and I've never seen it with the fenders on, so I'm really looking forward to it. So I'm going to get started, run a little time lapse and see how things go. Okay, before I wrap up here, I just want to give a shout out to my buddy Dave for giving me a hand today. We ended up installing the front fenders and the front bumper, and I'm super happy with the way the car came out. So before I go, I'm going to just show you my favorite part, which is the way the intercooler looks at the bottom. It looks pretty nasty. Anyhow, that's it for today. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and of course, thanks for watching.